There really is no product like GHD Duet Style on the market. It really is the first to combine both the heated airflow and the low temperature smart plates together in one product. Now, I tend to think of GHD Duet Style as a hairdryer and a styler in one. So what we've done is we've taken the best of our hairdry technologies. What you have in the back here is a high RPM motor. What that's doing is it's drawing in all this amazing fresh airflow into the product. Then that airflow is passed through the heater, which is heating it up to a low temperature for drying your hair. Then what we have is our styling chamber here. Now this is key. It divides up the airflow so you get an even and consistent heat and velocity of airflow across the styling chamber, meaning that when you style your hair, you're getting an even and consistent result. Now next, we've taken the best technologies out of our stylers and we have 4 smart styling plates. Now what these are doing, while that airflow is gently evaporating the water off of your hair, these are using that low, smart temperature to gently smooth and add shine to your hair to give you the most incredible GHD finish. But that's not it. Once you've dried and styled your hair, if you want that perfect GHD polish at the end, we have our Shine Shot button here. Simply press that button, it'll shut off the airflow, and then your plates are going to rise to the optimum dry styling temperature of 185 degrees Celsius for dry hair, and you've turned it into a GHD styler. Great for adding that final bit of polish, or even on the second day, adding some kinks and bends at the end. And that is why GHD Duet Style is a one-of-a-kind tool.